Well, primary business of mine is high-tech manufacturing, and I know STEM is very important to the youth, the high schoolers, the middle schoolers these days. It's going to be very important to be able to compete worldwide. And it's something we're very passionate about, STEM program, and I just want to thank you, Ken, for doing what you do when it comes to the STEM program.
Over the last few years here, we've been adding classes to our STEM catalog and offering more opportunities during our exploratory, which are like our enrichment classes here at Higgins, to provide more of these authentic opportunities for kids in fields that they are interested in and that are the future.
When we look at this generous donation, what that allows us to do is enhance those hands-on activities, raise the profile of STEM in our district so that it becomes more visible, it becomes something that kids really look at and they say, wow, that's exciting, I really want to do that, and I can see myself doing that.
We're really excited that the STEM National Honor Societies can really help enhance the opportunities for our students with enrichment and hands-on activities. We're really excited that the $5,000 will go to opening up some chapters, but also allowing us an opportunity to buy some hands-on activities and some materials.
It means a lot to me as a mayor, and it brings me great pride to have a former PV high school graduate, somebody who I've known a long time personally, that wants to contribute to the city and give back to the city that he cares about. And to be able to contribute in this way and be able to start this program in our community, I think of the possibilities, the potential, and really excited for what our superintendent's team are going to bring forward. But I always feel just tremendous pride when somebody wants to give back to the city, when people step up and contribute, and this is going to matter to a lot of kids, and just very excited about it.